Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now there's a saying that a drowning man will try to save himself by grabbing onto even a straw. Now some are saying this is what Maitland is currently doing, as his attorneys are questioning the DNA evidence retrieved by law enforcement that is said to be enough to have him convicted. Now if you agree that law enforcement has enough evidence that justice can be served in the Donna Donaldson case, then drop a like on the video and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Now speaking of law enforcement, of course condolences to the family of Shannon David Briscoe, whose body has been recovered, and it is being rumored that his life was taken right before a major promotion. Maybe I couldn't hear what I go on that will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Shannon Briscoe. He normally leaves out of his house at 5 o'clock each morning. And it's like the morning in question, the 11th, his phone went off and called his church sister. And the church sister heard Shannon with somebody else wrestling, rattling. You understand? And the church sister, this gave the church sister an alarm. And the church sister and the family members reached out to the police to say Shannon is in danger. The police, from my understanding, told the family they can't do anything until 72 hours. Mr. Briscoe is no longer with us. He's a correctional officer. He's a correctional officer. The little that I've gathered so far is that he was to get a promotion. He was to get a promotion in his job. He's a correctional officer and he was to get a promotion in his job. But I've been reliably informed that even within the correctional services, he has been getting some major fight. Major fight. So I don't know if the motive for the killing of Shannon has nothing to do with co-workers or people within the correctional services. I don't know what could have. I don't know if Shannon and a prisoner at Horizon had any disputes and a hit was out on him. I don't know what would have caused the death of Mr. Briscoe. I don't know what would have caused the death of Mr. Briscoe, Jamaica. But I can let you all know Mr. Briscoe is no longer with us. I will let you all know, Jamaica. His body was found at the Riverton dump. Prophetess, can you send the number to me so I can call the family? Send the number to me, prophetess. You know yourself. Send the number to me so I can call the family. I don't know what would have caused Mr. Briscoe to have died. I don't know what would have caused Mr. Briscoe to have died. You have to understand that they're on their way to Riverton City right now. Arrest me in Jamaica. And it has dawned on me that I have to tell the world. I have to tell the world what is happening. He's just a correctional officer. Yeah. And yesterday, another body just washed up at Raytown. So the correctional officer that they put out missing is actually now pronounced dead. So yes, Jamaica. Wow, Lord. Wow, 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 wow. So, mighty God. Everywhere you look, there's a missing body. Just reappearing. Just coming out. Everywhere you look, and that is just another body. Bodies just coming out everywhere you look. Body at Raytown, body at Riverton, body a Spanish town, body here so, body there so. Have we come to be that lawless as a nation? And I want us to reflect today. I want us to use today to reflect as a nation. I want us to reflect. And I got a vision. I got a vision. And the Lord says, Andre, I'm going to talk about this vision now. I'm going to talk about
Our state nation, definitely a sad situation. And it's always a hard thing when you lose hard-working members of society. Of course, for the families involved, condolences, of course. It was also confirmed that his motor vehicle was found in another community. Law enforcement has also confirmed that crime and violence is on the rise in certain areas and communities. The people must be serious about creating a better Jamaica for themselves, them youth them, and for future generations. We know majority of the issues seen on the Jamaican island and faced by its people. Enough people come see it. But there is no excuse for doing nothing about it. Just like our elected officials. Enough of our elected officials, MPs and councillors in the different areas and certain ministries forward come see certain issues. Remember, from time to time, different parties changed. But that is no excuse for them to do nothing about the issues of the country. Wrong or right. Regardless of which party create the problem, it is the job of the party in power to solve them. So even though you have certain issues that take place on the Jamaican island and has been taking place for decades now, talk to me. If you're new to the channel, just a pass through, well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boost a share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister, and then brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section 24/7, never lack yet. On to the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, for to stay tuned.